This is the Btalk from ZEBLAZE. It's a thin, Bluetooth-capable smartwatch. Do not disturb. Overall brightness control on here. Find your phone, and you have all of the access to dialing calls through your phone, call logs, contacts. You can turn the whole thing on and off if you want to, if you don't want to use your watch for that. You've got different layouts designed for your app displays, and of course overall settings are accessible, which include a variety of watch faces, the themes. You can even reset, turn the watch off from here. You also have notifications sent from your phone, if you have any, when you're tethered. You can get into your step count for the day, a continuous heart rate chart developing down there, and your current heart rate, you notice it was already on, is always being measured. Whenever you land on this page, you can see what it is instantly. Come over here, it goes into testing your blood pressure, systolic, diastolic, and gives you those results. Come over here, you saw a flash of it. That was the last blood oxygen reading. Using red diode technology on this watch, it'll give you your current reading there as well. You have last night's sleep time broken down into light and deep sleep, and a forecast with your temperature in Fahrenheit or centigrade. You can tap in here and change to a variety of different watch faces, make it look really, really sweet. And like I said, it has Bluetooth calling capability in it as well. You have a whole bunch of other apps that you can access, including training like outdoor running, cycling, and swimming. Yep, swimming, it's waterproof, gang. You got all the other things we already saw, but you also have stopwatch, which runs live in the background, mind you, which is great. Once you start it, you can leave it and do other things. Find your phone, the QR code, all of that is there. You have breath training for mindfulness, inhaling and exhaling. Yep, all in all, it's a really nice, very inexpensive, well-built smartwatch. It's the ZEBLAZE Btalk. Check it out.